Welcome to Teaching English as a Foreign Language to Young Learners. Thanks for being here today. I'm Sheryl Mccoy. I'll show you how to make a simple, printable board game. So now we've transferred to the website toolsforeducators.com. And as you can see, it's got a lot of history to it. It's one of the old style websites, but it is chock full of information and other things that you can use for your class. For instance, there's Tools for Educators, which is a free big area, worksheets, printables, work templates. There's word search, crossword, board games, bingo, vocabulary, mazes, spelling, and you can make your own certificates here. So of course, we're focusing on board games this week. So we're going to go past free word search maker, the dice maker, and here we are at printable board games. As you can see, I've used this. I also went in and looked at some of these others, like the free crossword puzzle maker. That is really nice. So when you go to the printable board makers, it explains everything with it. You can make it with just images. Maybe that's all you want to use at the beginning and have the kids practice their speaking English. Or maybe you want to mix that up with some text or all text. That's all you want, and you want them to match the English words with some images. You can do all that. We're going to click on printable board games, and we're going to go here and see how easy it is. As you can see, all the other information listed, and there are more game board options listed below. So game with text only, images only, image with some text. Let's pick fruits and vegetables. So first we have watermelon, then we have grapefruit, cucumbers, blueberries, garlic, eggplant. And you could even make a game up with your own class as a reward. Tell them that, oh, we're going to learn about vegetables and other such things, and sweet fruits. Bananas, Chinese cabbage. Oh, I love that. Stir fry. And then just talk about that with the kids as you go through. Scallions are good. Oop, radish isn't spelled right, so I'm not going to put that in there. So you get the drift. Let's move ahead 5 somewhere else. Let's put it right in the very middle. Copy that. Get rid of lose a turn. We'll put lose a turn right at the very first. That way it won't be too frustrating for little kids. Now, if you have older kids, you could make this as hard as you want. So you could even put the move ahead 5 or lose a turn or go back to the start. You could put that at the very end if you were working with older kids. Now we're going to make it. There it is. Now that is nice. We have the ability to take that and save it or print it. So you would just go over to your printer instructions, and the rest of it would be just as you would do on your computer. I'm going back to the activity. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic in case you didn't know that. All right, so here's what I do. I've made the board game. Since the 2018 Week 3 discussions haven't begun, you'll see samples from other years. Let's talk about what comes next. After I put it on YouTube, then I come here to the discussion. There's Nivis Torresi. I'm going to add a discussion topic, put my YouTube video in, and I will have a video ready for you to look at. And I thank you so much for your kind attention. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.